Okay guys, I've decided to try Kinky Curly again one more time to see how it is. I tried it 2 times when my hair was much shorter than this, and I decided to give it another try again. I was looking at one of the natural YouTubers channel yesterday it was, and I seen how she made her Kinky Curly wash and go last 4 to 5 days. I forgot which one it was. So I've been using her method at night. I applied it last night. I washed my hair and I applied it last night with the Not Today leave-in. And I did let it dry, let it air dry. I did it on soaking wet hair, let it air dried, and then I did her method of putting it into my hair in 2 like ponytails, at the ends twisting the ends, and then just clipping it into like a little bun on each side. Then in the morning time I take it out, shake my hair, refresh it with water, then I just shake it, and then it came out looking like this morning. Now one problem that I had with the Kinky Curly was that it was hard and crunchy, and this time it's not crunchy like it was when my hair was shorter. I guess I didn't put as much product as I did before. It has a good hold, but it's not like crunchy where my hair is stiff. Like, I can still shake it a little bit. And so for day one of it being in my hair, I like it, and I'll post pictures of each day that I leave it in and let you guys know how it's going and how I really feel about it once I'm done with it for 4 to 5 days. The girl that I'm talking about that I've seen her video on how to maintain it, I'll put her YouTube channel in the description box. Right? Later guys.